made everything very simple and very. So what we did is we reinvented that motor and we created a contained motor, which basically doesn't have an exposed propeller. And then we put those motors inside the vehicle rather than having them exposed on the outside. And I'll show you a little bit more details on that. So this is the shape of the vehicle. The vehicle is round, and then we have 12 motors that goes inside the vehicle, and they go in the gap between the external body and the cabin on the inside. So there's that gap. This is where all the motors goes, and this is also where the battery goes, the battery pack that powers this vehicle. And what that does, first, it's basically hides the propellers. The passengers will not even see them. And then when it's like when you ride your car, if you can see the motor under your feet, it'll probably scare you too. Same for engines, non-electric motors. If you see the gearbox under you, it'll probably scare you unless like you like that kind of stuff. And pretty much, so this is kind of like the solution that we came up with. And we took that motor, we tested it, and we wanted to see how can we make it practical. And the best design that we tested is having a lot of motors in close proximity of each other. And then we ended up with 12 motors. And those 12 motors basically operate. I'll show you another photo how they take off and land, but basically it requires a round vehicle shape so they can distribute